Another of the escapees from the Hunts Bay police lockup is back behind bars. Roger Gaynor, otherwise called Screechy, turned himself in yesterday afternoon. This was disclosed by head of the St. Andrews South Police, Senior Superintendent Wayne Cameron.
5 of the escapees are back in custody. 1 is deceased, so there are 2 inmates who are still out there. They are Michael Orlando Ellis and Kenor Holness, otherwise called Oliver. We are asking residents, especially in and around the corporate area, to be vigilant and to be on the alert. And any sightings of these 2 individuals, these 2 escapees, please to call the police, call 119, call Crime Stop, call the nearest police station. In the meantime, I must use the opportunity to thank residents for their cooperation. In those 5 persons who have been returned to our custody, and as I mentioned before, 1 is now deceased, but I want to express our appreciation to the residents who have supported us wholeheartedly in this cause.
Meanwhile, SSP Cameron says the captured prisoners have been isolated from the general population to ensure that they have not been infected with the coronavirus. He said they are undergoing regular temperature checks.